Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the speed of your video clips in Clipchamp. First, open Clipchamp on your computer. Once you're in, click on Create a new video to start a new project. Then, click on the plus button or Import Media to upload the video you want to edit. Once your clip is uploaded, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. First, let us play and listen this clip to check the current speed, duration, and voice pitch. Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. In this, the total duration of the clip is 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Now select the video clip in the timeline. You'll notice that it gets highlighted, and a menu appears on the right side of your screen. On the right panel, the very last option is Speed. Click on the option. This will bring up a slider you can use to adjust how fast or slow the video plays. If you want to slow the video down, drag the slider to the left. The more you drag it left, the slower it becomes. This is perfect for slow motion effects or making a scene feel more dramatic. If you want to speed it up, drag the slider to the right. You can go up to 16 times the normal speed, which is ideal for making time-lapse sequences or skipping through long sections quickly. Let us increase the speed of the clip to 4x. Now play the clip.
You can actually see online and secure your accounts. You can trace their location, see where they are, and get notifications about that. The app is available for both iPhone and
We cannot understand even a word, and the duration of the clip has decreased to 1 minute and 23 seconds. Let us slow it down. Move the slider to the left this time, and select 1.5. As we slowed the speed, the duration of the clip has increased. Now let us play it again.
child's time on mobile phone. You can limit their screen time. You can manage a child's apps on their phone.
And this time it is a bit acceptable. After adjusting the speed, press play to preview how it looks. If it doesn't feel quite right, just move the slider again until you get the perfect pace. Keep in mind that changing the speed also changes the duration of the clip. Slower clips will take more time on the timeline, and faster clips will be shorter. Now, if your video has sound, speeding it up or slowing it down will also affect how the audio sounds. Sometimes it becomes too high-pitched or distorted. If that happens, then you have two options. One is to mute the volume by clicking the volume option and sliding it down to 0. Or, you can detach the audio and replace it with background music or a voiceover that fits the new speed. For that, select the clip and click on Audio from the right bar. And then click Detach Audio. And in the media section you can see the audio is separated from the video. Now increasing or decreasing the speed of video will not affect the audio. Once you're happy with how it looks and sounds, it's time to export your video. Click the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution. 1080p is usually the best quality. And then hit Export. Clipchamp will process your video, and once it's done, it will automatically download to your computer. Thanks for being with us.